these are some of the things that we're doing, di ba? So nakita natin, meron tayong chair dito, o meron na mga bagong update sa akin. So, this is a chair na kinocompose natin, but the thing is, hindi siya tumatama sa ating actual lighting environment. So, paano natin gagawin yan before without assistive technology? Magamit tayo ng levels, hue saturation. But right now, you can easily just click on Harmonize here. And what happens is that it's going to use a Firefly for it to create blending modes. Makikita nyo dito sa layers panel mamaya yung lahat ng ginawa niya. Hintayin lang natin ng konti. Okay? Magbibigay siya ng results, which is 3 po. And it will take a little bit of time on our end. So nakita nyo, di ba? So ito yung before and after. Pero meron tayong choices. Let's click on this or this. Di ba? So imagine, gaano katagal nyo gagawin yan before kung wala kayong ganitong klase ng features. So it's practically doable, but it saves you a lot of time, and it gives you a lot of options here, as you would see. Okay, that is Harmonize. The next